Hi everyone, welcome to our English learning channel. In this video, we're going to talk about consonants and vowels. First, let's define what consonants and vowels are. Consonants are speech sounds that are produced by obstructing or restricting the airflow in some way. Examples of consonants include P, B, T, D, K, G, S, Z, and so on. Vowels, on the other hand, are speech sounds that are produced by allowing the air to flow freely through the mouth without any obstruction. Examples of vowels include A, E, I, O, U, and so on. So, why are consonants and vowels important in English? Well, they are the building blocks of words and sentences. Without them, we wouldn't be able to communicate effectively. In fact, every word in the English language contains at least one vowel. Let's take a closer look at some examples. The word cat contains the consonants K and T and the vowel A. The word elephant contains the consonants L, P, H, N, and T and the vowels E, A, and U. By understanding the sounds of consonants and vowels, we can better pronounce and spell words correctly. It's important to note that English has many irregularities when it comes to spelling and pronunciation. For example, the letter C can sometimes make the K sound as in cat, and sometimes the S sound as in scent. Similarly, the letter O can sometimes make the O sound as in go. To help you improve your pronunciation and spelling, we'll be sharing some tips and exercises in our future videos. So be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.